Ellen Adarna nag-react sa nasabing mensahe ni Derek Ramsey sa mismong kaarawan nito at sa mga tao na nandoon para siya ay samahan sa kanyang kaarawan. Ayon kasi kay Ellen, parang familiar daw yung mensahe na binitawan ni Derek Ramsey. At ito ay mula sa isang quote hinggil sa breakup. Narito po ang sinabi ni Derek, "If God could take someone that you thought you could never lose, imagine the person He could give that you thought you'd never find." At yan po ang aktwal na sinabi ni Derek Ramsey sa kanyang mensahe. Siyempre, say nga ni Ellen, wow, na-memorize niya. Looks familiar ang mensahe at sobrang nagulat nga ang mga netizen dito dahil ang galing-galing daw ni Ellen Adarna mag-research na ang sinabi ni Derek Ramsey ay hindi original na mula sa kanya. Say na mga netizen, Lodi ka talaga, Miss E. Asikasuhin mo na day, annulment mo, dami mong time kay Derek, obsessed ka pa din sa imong ex-husband, say naman ng isa. At ang isa ay sinabi na parang ganun lang kadali yun. Easy for you to say that di naman sila naglalaro lang. Hindi yan pupunta lang sa barangay tapos na. Di yan itutulog lang na nakamove on na ka na agad. Gumamit ka rin ng utak minsan. Say naman ng isa, ha ha ha, artista ka so walang trophy. Grabe si Ellen, hehehe. Say naman ng isa, perhaps he's not claiming it as his own but simply quoting something he can relate. Pagtatanggol naman ng isang netizen kay Derek. In fairness kay Ellen, really on an aggressive campaign to antagonize Derek para mag-e-effort mag-search ng video to ridicule him. Ang isa ay sinabing all the while delivering it like it was his own and looking like he was the victim. It's about time someone calls this guy out. His whole existence has been so disingenuous. It might have taken years but karma will catch up talaga. Say naman ng isa, ha ha ha, Derek should really just shut his mouth. I just watched Angelica's interview and her comment stuck. 10 years na di pa pala kumalma. That's loaded. It tells you just about everything you know about this guy. The smartest girl I think in this world Hulabalu is Andrea. Quickest one to get out and also the most quiet in the breakup. Oh, that must have hurt Derek's fragile ego. He's not used to excess not talking about how the breakup hurt. I think this is why he wanted to let the world know, if it's even true, that he was the one who broke up with her. Ellen truly is his karma. Well, yan nga ang sinasabi ng mga netizen na dumating na nga ang tao na magbibigay ng consequence sa buhay nitong si Derek Ramsey at hindi siya pagbibigyan sa lahat ng mga ginawa niya. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.